Hello, in this video we are going to discuss the segregation of labor cost. The one that we discuss in our P&L, that we divide the labor cost into management, non-management, and non-management further by the departments, operating departments in that particular division. So the management consist of the labor cost is consist of two parts, management and non-management. So management consists of directors, assistant directors, and managers. So all the departments have HOD. They may have assistant directors in very big hotels, and they may have directors in also the very big hotels. Or smaller hotels may only have like managers. So for example, like housekeeping manager, front office manager, there may not be a director of rooms, but they are reporting directly to the operation manager or general manager. In that case, that housekeeping manager or the general the front office manager or F&B manager or spa manager or those kind of managers or managers and above position are considered as management. Why we segregate this, then we will look at it in a bit. The non-management are considered the supervisors and associates. Some hotels may have supervisor level, some senior supervisor, or they may call it entry level, they may call it service leaders, they may call it leaders. So whatever is the name, but the job description is supervisor and associates, which are facing the guest for their day-to-day operations. Managers, assistant director, and admin directors, they have administrative duties. So the reason why we segregate is that because we want to understand the composition of labor cost, which is kind of administrative and which are directly facing the guest. So each hotel may have a different set of the structure, how they are running the operations. They may be very heavy on the management and maybe not very heavy on non-management level of the staff, because the salary levels are quite different for management and non-management. The only thing you need to consider while you are segregating the cost is that if there is only one director or one assistant director or one manager in the department, if we segregate the cost into that particular division, then the salary information, the wages information is gonna be public, because anyone who read the P&L, if they know they are only one manager, they will know the salary of the managers. So if the payroll confidentiality is a thing, then you may not segregate the information. Otherwise, you should segregate to comply with usually. Now the second segregation was on non-management for their operating department. So what are the non-management departments that we discussed? So for the rooms division, there was front office, guest services, housekeeping, reservations department, transportation, complimentary F&B service. So these are the rooms division departments. So why we want to segregate is because some hotels may not have a separate transportation department, may not have a separate people for guest services. Maybe they have only for front office and housekeeping. So by dividing the labor cost into the divisions, it's easier for readers to understand the impact, the total labor structure of the department and the hotel. So the F&B division have F&B service and F&B kitchen. They are normally segregated into the F&B service, F&B kitchen, and some hotels they segregate the stewarding as well as from the kitchen. Most of the hotels they consider F&B as a part of either F&B service or as a part of F&B kitchen, all the stewards. Then other operating departments, they have laundry, accounting and finance. Sorry, this is for administration and general. So the administration and general segregate the cost into accounting, finance, security, general support, which covers the general manager and executive offices. Then you have purchasing and store and human resources. So these are the administrative and general departments. And you have sales and marketing for marketing services, sales, and maintenance department, of course. So these are all the individual departments. So all the individual departmental profits, they are further divided into non-management into each and individual department, so that the readers can easily check where the increase or decrease is coming from. Maybe you hire new front office staff, you hire new guest service staff or housekeeping, or is there any big turnover. So all the information is quite visible when you segregate the labor cost like that. So that is the reason why we segregate the cost. Thank you very much.